Shreya, welcome to Funfula tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw braid and how to shade it. So first of all, we will draw two parallel lines with a scale. Then we will draw zigzag line between these two lines. As shown in the video, I am using an HB pencil. Now we will draw braid with this method. It's very easy method and one can draw easily. You have to draw till the zigzag lines end. Now at the end point you have to draw simple short ponytail. Now we have done drawing. Now we will remove these lines. Now we will take 2B pencil and we will apply short and soft strokes on each section of braid from the top and from the bottom, like this showing in the video. In some parts of the video you cannot see the setting. Sorry for that. Because of the light in the setup of the shooting, this graphite reflects the light. So sorry for that. Now we will do from the top. We have done from the bottom. Now we will do from the top. We are using here 2B pencil and applying soft and short strokes. Now for blending we will use here paint brush. We have to do these steps on each section of the braid. I have start from the right side. After this I will start from the left side. I am applying the same steps that we have done for one section, the first section we have done. I am here using 2B pencil. I am repeating. If you are new on my channel, you can subscribe me and you can follow on every videos. I have also bought a playlist of new here. You can go and watch the video. If you like the video, please like it, and if you want to follow me, please subscribe me and share to your friends and relatives. Now we will use 2B pencil and we will shade the last part of the braid. As the same technique we are using here. We are applying soft and smooth strokes on the top. Now we are applying strokes from the bottom. I am using practice drawing sheet. Now I am blending with a paint brush. Now we will use 4B pencil and we will apply the same technique that we have done from 2B pencil. You can see that I am applying the same technique. That is from the top we are applying soft and smooth stroke, and from the bottom we are applying soft and smooth strokes, and repeating it in every section of the braid. I don't use here charcoal pencil, I only use the graphite pencil. So graphite pencil is available on every home. So if you do not have 2B, 4B and 6B pencil, you can buy from the market. Four-way pencil is quite dark and soft pencil. Now we will blend with a paintbrush. Now we will use 4B pencil and we will do the same technique. We will apply the same technique on the last section of the braid with 4B pencil for shading. Now we will take 6B pencil and we will create shadows on the each section of a braid. For realistic braid, we have to create shadows on the each section of the braid. Now we will shade the rubber band. Now we will blend with a paintbrush. Here we are not using earbud, we are using a paintbrush. Now we will take 6B pencil and apply the last darkest shades on the last section of the braid. We are blending with a paintbrush. Now we are using kneaded eraser and we will apply some strokes on the braid so that it looks realistic. Thanks for watching this video till end, and please subscribe Fun Full Art for more tutorials related to pencil shading and another.